Today in crypto, these are the 5 cryptocurrencies that could be ready to make some big moves in October. Now, these are all coins that are tapping into the trending DeFi niche, in which have catalysts that could make them worth paying attention to over the coming month. My name is Lark, and this is where you subscribe for all of the hottest and all of the latest happening out here in the wild land of crypto. By the way, if you're looking for a way to keep up with all of the craziness going on in the market, to keep track of key events for your favorite cryptocurrencies, to find out about upcoming token sales, to get expert info on DeFi and how to understand DeFi and keep track of all the top yields in DeFi, to get insights from industry leaders, to get weekly in-depth reports on trending altcoins, to get high quality technical analysis, and to get timely tips on growing your wealth, then you should absolutely consider becoming a member of the Wealth Mastery newsletter. Every single week, you're going to get everything that I just mentioned and much more straight to your inbox every Wednesday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, and all for less than $10 a week. Let me and my team save your time and help keep you ahead of the curve with this fantastic investor report. There's a link down below where you can learn more about Wealth Mastery. Also, before we do begin this conversation, we just need a short disclaimer. I do own some of the coins that I will be discussing here today. No one has paid me to talk about any of these cryptocurrencies. And of course, this is just a brief overview of these cryptocurrencies. It should absolutely not serve as a replacement for you doing your own research. I am not a guru. I am just a dude talking about cryptocurrencies on the internet. So keep that in mind, please. And with all that being said, let's get this. The first one on the list is Kava. Now, this is an old favorite of mine, without a doubt. It's been a bag for a long time, and I'm a very happy bag holder of it. Now, this Cosmos DeFi beast, it is back in the news again. This time because Kava is launching a new major DeFi application named Harvest, which is Kava's new automated money market protocol. It's going to function in a quite similar way to Aave or to Compound and how their money markets work, but with an expanded reach, really extending far beyond just Ethereum-based assets. It will be incorporating Binance Chain and Bitcoin. That will be in version 1, which is scheduled to launch on October 15th. Harvest version 2, scheduled to go live in December, will bring in more assets like Chainlink and possibly XRP as well. Users of Harvest will be rewarded with the Harvest Governance Token. There will, of course, be added incentives for Kava stakers. So really great if you are a Kava holder to get involved with this, and it could be a price catalyst for Kava considering the staking rewards coming up. Now, this is a big step forward for Kava and really for the Cosmos ecosystem overall. So I'm very excited to see this coming. The next one on our list is Synthetics. Well, the new DeFi coins and the food meme tokens have captured a lot of money and a lot of interest in the market over the last couple of months. The OG DeFi players, they have been continuing to make some serious advances, dropping some hardcore technology and doing some really big plays. And one of those is without a doubt Synthetics. Now, these are two major catalysts that are working in the favor of Synthetics leading into October. The first is DHedge, which is an asset management platform bringing non-custodial mimetic trading to Ethereum, and which is being powered by Synthetics. Now, DHedge is one of the first platforms to fully utilize the power of the Synthetics protocol, and it has only recently just been launched. So there's a lot of area for that to pick up steam. The second is that Synthetics is in the process of implementing layer 2 scaling solutions via adoption of optimistic rollup technology. They're currently running tests on the testnet for the OVM, or the Optimistic Virtual Machine. Now, this is going to be an absolute game changer for them, considering the high on-chain fees on Ethereum that we are currently suffering. So this will be very big when it does come out for Synthetics, makes it definitely one to keep an eye on. The third one on our list is Uniswap. Now this coin could be in for a few big months ahead. Uniswap is literally doing more volume than Coinbase on most days by simply providing what the market wants. An insane Wild West environment where anyone can list a coin, where we have new listings that are just happening all the time, exciting liquidity pools. It's fantastic what the product is offering. But the story goes so much deeper than that, because now that the sell pressure from those who got the airdrop is starting to subside, Uniswap could be in for some very, very big moves. The liquidity mining incentive plan that's going to be running until November, but I don't think that the liquidity mining is going to have the same level of sell pressure as those people who got the airdrop. So it's just free money given out to people. The liquidity providers actually have to put money on the line to get it. Also, we have Uniswap V3 coming soon, which is just an absolute game changer when it comes out. We're going to get limit orders for Uniswap, which is just next level awesomeness. And most importantly, we can expect a layer 2 scaling solution to be implemented, as the team is already working on rolling out ZK rollups, which will be a fantastic way to bring down transaction costs. So a cost of a swap will go from $50 to like pennies. Adding liquidity could go from like $50 to like pennies. So very, very big in terms of usability for Uniswap. And as a cherry on top of all that, Uni token holders will start getting paid rewards in V3. So yeah, keep an eye on Uniswap in the coming month. The next one is the Polkadot parachain called Rio chain. Now this is a fully interoperable chain with the Polkadot ecosystem with a wider focus on cross-chain interoperability beyond the Polkadot ecosystem as well. Over the last couple of months, there has been just a lot of hype building around, well, anything Polkadot related, but also Rio chain, which just finished its token sale. And considering that it's tapping into some of the biggest trends right now in crypto, which Polkadot, DeFi, and interoperability, it could be in for some big gains. Rio DeFi bridges centralized and decentralized finance systems and can facilitate cross-chain transactions as well. The Rio wallet will allow for a fiat on and off ramp straight in and out of DeFi, which is a big deal in of itself. Basically a DeFi service platform aiming to be something of a one-stop shop for your DeFi needs. Now, Rio Chain already has the very buzzy Mantra DAO running on it, so that's really cool to see. Rio will be able to run at 3,000 transactions per second on their federated chain. The Rio Fuel token will be, as the name implies, the gas for the ecosystem. Rio had about a dozen or so venture capital firms participate in their fundraise, so it does have some big backers on board. Now, they also just completed a major security audit from Certic with positive results, meaning that what they have built, it's legit technology, has been audited and certified. While it is not clear when exactly the token will list, it should be relatively soon, so it's definitely something to keep an eye out for. Hopefully going to see it listing early next week, and I think it could be a trend leading into October. And the fifth coin to keep on your radar for October is TrustSwap. Now, ever since debuting, this DeFi juggernaut has been going absolutely crazy. They have now successfully launched their mainnet. Staking is currently live, so you can actually start earning swap rewards. 80% of the fees paid to the platform will go back to stakers, and huge percentages of tokens are being staked. So they're basically locked up, which means they're not on the open market, which is good for token appreciation. Multiple airdrops have already gone out to token holders, which is super awesome. Basically free money coming in all the time, plus the staking on top of that. Seriously, big fan of free money right here. You gotta love that stuff. TrustSwap is a massive DeFi ecosystem. They have their token launchpad and escrow and subscription service and time release and wrapping. And look, not all those services are operable yet, but they're all in the works and they're all coming. So lots of big things coming up for TrustSwap. TrustSwap has also nailed down loads of solid partnerships to ensure a big and vibrant ecosystem that will be continuing to grow. And considering all of the token launches that is happening, it's also a great product fit for the market right now. Plus all the other cool stuff. The other cool features are also pretty cool. It has, like so many cryptos, had a massive retracement during September. So now could be an interesting time to enter a position moving in, or at least start averaging into a position moving into October and beyond. Anyway, those are just the coins that I am watching. What about you? What cryptocurrencies do you think investors should be watching in the month of October? Let me know down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching today. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.